Ladies and gentlemen, this is on a hot pursuit. I just saw two deers in the middle of the road. They've jumped into these backyards. Going for a closer look. They're in the middle of the damn road.
Look out, boy. There's a new chairman in town.
Yeah, and he's also 13.
I feel for their safety.
He's 20, but that's still pretty damn young. 20.
How they got there is amazing.
Hell of a career. I mean, we need the crooners, right? You need them.
I haven't heard a voice like that since Frank Sinatra.
Very much so.
Man, you're right. It does give you goosebumps. Yeah. So they
These backyards are pretty gated up, so they might have got trapped. I'm gonna go swing around one more lap, because there's deers running around. And man, I wish I had my camera out sooner. It was amazing. I wanted to be a lot quieter. Welcome to the Doc and Woody Show.
Flying around, lots of bonehead nominations. Listeners sending us emails. You got to nominate this person or that person for Bonehead of the Week. There were two of them that really stood out yesterday.
Oh, it's fucking great out too this morning.
Local. One's from Brockville, the other's from Smiths Falls.
It was just right down this way. They jumped in these backyards out here.
Nominate their neighbor.
I'm not saying much.
You wait till you hear these stories. You'll be shaking your head. That's after Randall's rant. What are you going to rant about this morning? Well, several
Right in here they did.
businesses are taking a bath
There it
because
is.
of the Rito Street sinkhole and are considering a class action lawsuit to recoup lost money. And I don't like it. All right, that's coming up in a few minutes. It's 6:26 here on 106.1 Show.
It's not a dog, it's a deer. There's two of them. They're going to do some trampoline work. Moving into that other backyard. That's good. I'd like to find a way to get them right out of here. They're probably scared. I'm probably trespassing. But this is for the Wildlife Foundation. Where'd they go? There they are. I've never been attacked by a deer before. Hi guys. How are you? You're a beautiful creature. And they're just babies too. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh yes, excellent. There they go. Get the safety back on the road. Good. Habaz. Hot pursuit again. They would have came out from here is where I just had them. I don't know where they would have went now. There they are. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Pair of deers. I'm gonna lead them out. Hopefully. Look at them go. Beautiful things. This is where I wish I had a cameraman. Anybody want a job? I want to get them off there. We're on way for them to go. I would have liked, there was a train tracks. I would have liked them to go. Look at them go. I just don't want to cause too much of an accident. I don't want them to get to the highway either.
No matter what your budget, we'll find the import vehicle that's right for you. Import Car Center, 880 Maribel Road, and online at importcarcenter.com.
I'm gonna get them out of here.
Oh, sure. Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Close to the highway.
The cult?
Yep.
They trap themselves
No
now.
problemo.
Oh, Gallagher's high flying.
Oh no, separation. Jump, baby girl, jump. I'm sorry. This is an ongoing matter, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, jump. No, up, up, jump up. Oh, 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 oh. And it opened the door. But they're separated. That one's gated in. Trying to get to its brother or sister. See what I can do, ladies and gentlemen. It's like looking at them at a petting zoo. Poor thing's trapped right now. Doesn't know what it's doing. Come on, baby. Hop over that. Hop over it. I know you can do it. Good girl. Do it again to your brother and sister. Awesome. I'll lead it out this way. Hopefully, I'll be able to. With the help of my trusty camcorder. People think I'm probably nuts. Oh, I might even have an open backyard right here. Okay, that's awesome. Beautiful. Look at you go. Are you gonna jump it? Like I said, I'm gonna help it. Hang on. Stay tuned. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Go. 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 Taking the wrong angle. Yes, if it can go down that corner, that alleyway. Look at it go. Wow, fantasticness. That was beautiful. Pausing again.
Customers are
Okay,
still
so
standing by and canceling
deers are still in people's
The owner figures his restaurant will lose
backyards.
$1,000 because of the
This is our main highway to get out of Carlton Place. Hopefully the little buggers get out of here.
Some businesses are considering a class
And I think I just saw them
action
again.
to recoup lost money. And you know what? I don't blame them. I mean, it's not their fault. The
No,
road collapsed like
trailer
one of
hitch
these
son of a
business
bitch.
owners supposed to do.
Looked real quick.
Now, it wouldn't be so
as a deer.
bad if the city would give
That's
them
too
a
funny.
break on taxes, something I've been saying for years. Businesses affected by, say, construction should get help on their taxes, but the city says no. And now this, a sinkhole, and lost business, lost money, and what, business owners are supposed to just suck it up? This lawsuit, if it happens, I'm with the business community all the way. I'm Randall Moore.
Oh, thank you, Randall. So, deers might be away. This is the street I was on. Just got them off of. Yeah, this was the backyard that they just left. So if I was a deer and I just left this yard to go to this yard, am I still around? We're getting to almost 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. My search for these deers could be over. I am going in reverse. I like it, and I like it. I just didn't want those poor deer to end up on the wrong side of the street. Eat somebody's flowers out. Maybe they got out. I hope they got out. This is where they would have got out to, and I hope it worked for them. All right. Thanks for watching another episode of When Nature Calls. Enjoy the tune for another minute or so as I get out of here. It'd suck if they jumped right in front of me. That was amazing. Take care now. Bye-bye then.